With everything available at the click of a button, it's time to go paperless. Tata Mutual Fund brings you the TMF Link, Share to Invest. The TMF Link is a self-generated, hyper-customized ARN embedded link for distributors to share with their investors. With the TMF Link, you can create your own one-click and share it with investors for purchases, SIPs, and SIP renewal. Reach your investors right where they are. The TMF Link can be shared on WhatsApp, email, and other social media. You could host it on your digital assets too. It also allows you to generate hard-coded transaction links for a single scheme for all active schemes of Tata Mutual Fund. Default option, all active schemes. You can now also generate links for NFO schemes by unchecking the non-NFO checkbox during the NFO period. It enables you to hard-code EUIN, sub-broker ARN, sub-broker code if required. You can either fill the amount or leave it blank. Specially designed for ARN, this can be used by any empaneled and valid ARN such as IFAs, banks, national distributors and RIAs. Prerequisite for investors. Firstly, the investors need to be KYC and FATCA verified. And secondly, the investor needs to have valid contact details updated in their portfolio. Through the TMF Link, your investors can make a lump sum purchase of any fund, start a new SIP, and complete a top-up investment as well, or renew an SIP that has already expired, ceased, been cancelled, or is about to expire in the next 3 months, and allow to top up for those SIPs that are currently active. Generate and share your TMF Link today. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.